Leagoo Power 5 4G smartphone enters the mid-range lineup of smartphones. Released by Chinese smartphone makers, Leagoo, the smartphone, launched into the Power series, and primes its focus on the provision of maximum power. This power can be seen in its mammoth battery capacity, display prowess and even its camera department. Let's have a closer look as this device gets under the microscope. Leagoo Power 5 4G smartphone. Speaking about aesthetics, the metallic body frame of the device makes it have a premium feel, so also does its neatly patterned rear design. Leagoo didn't seem to be short on colors, as black, gold and blue are the iterations of the device. The dual camera setup, dual LED flash and the fingerprint sensor appear at the rear of the smartphone, giving it a more appealing look. Just like tradition, the right side of the smartphone holds up the volume and power keys. Slimness is one of the attributes of this mobile, as it bears 11.8mm thickness. Leagoo Power 5 adding to the fact that it sports a bezel-less display. The bezels that are visible at its top and bottom are minimal. Moving on to its display, a jumbo 5.99 inches IPS touchscreen is at bay. The touchscreen relays impressive image quality, with its 1080 x 2160 pixels resolution. In addition to the resolution power, the 403 ppi pixel density sharpens the clarity of the display. It is important to note that the display is packed with the 178-degree viewing angle. Leagoo Power 5. The battery segment is where the major power lies. This battery upholds a 7000 mAh capacity that gives about 700 solid hours on standby. It doesn't end there though. The battery charges with lightning speed, thanks to the fast charging technology present. Also, wireless charging technology is also supported on the mobile. Leagoo Power 5 powerful. Now, down to the photography aspect. Images are captured from the rear, with a dual 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera sensors. At dusk, images can be brightened with the dual-tone dual LED flash available. Selfie lovers get to play around with the 13 megapixel camera to produce the awesome-looking selfies. Flash is also supported at the front camera sector too. The center of operations on this device is a stunning Helio P23 SoC. It works along with an Octa-Core 1.5 GHz ARM Cortex-A53 CPU. Meanwhile, the graphics on the device is done justice to by Mali-G71 GPU. Leagoo Power 5 4G smartphone. Sleek multitasking is the reason why a massive 6GB RAM was integrated into this smartphone. Files can be stored on the 64GB internal storage of the device, which can be expanded to 128GB using a micro SD card.